Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to check Gmail password on mobile. First of all, open the Gmail app. After opening the Gmail, click on Menu from the top left corner and go into Settings. Then from Settings, tap on your account. Now go into your Info, Privacy and Security. After that, click on Security. Then scroll down in Security and tap on Password Manager. In the Password Manager, you can find all of your saved passwords of different apps. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.